Hey, what's going on guys, Pizza Lekov here, and in today's video I'm going to show you the top 3 keyboard shortcuts that I can't live without and I use on a daily basis in Premiere Pro when I'm editing my videos. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight to Premiere Pro. So when you're in Premiere Pro, you're going to go straight to Edit, and from there we're going to go down to the bottom and you can see that it says Keyboard Shortcuts. Then we're going to click on it. Automatically, this is going to open up this window where you're going to see these keyboard shortcuts layouts. And the coolest thing about this keyboard is that you can customize all these keyboard shortcuts to your own taste. So let's say that you want to change the zoom to from Z to V. So what we're going to do is go and click on the zoom to, and from there we're going to go to the left bottom corner where it says command. Find the zoom to, and as you can see already there is the Z letter, but we want to add another one to this keyboard shortcut. So what we'll do is click twice on this gray line, and as you can see now we can add another button. So let's say I'm gonna add V. There we go. And what does say here is that now V is already in use by another application command. So that command will no longer have a shortcut. Therefore, what I'm going to do is go and press the X button to Z. And this means that now we've deleted Z for the zoom to. And as you can see now the zoom to is V. But now we've got Z empty. So I'm going to go and Z and click on it. And I'm going to go up to the selection tool and press twice on it and add Z. So now the selection tool is Z and the zoom tool is V. So now when you know how to access the keyboards and change them, I will show you my top 3 keyboard shortcuts that I use all the time. Personally, I think that ripple delete probably is the best way to delete sections of your video. And what it does, it's ripple delete the highlighted section and shift all of the other clips over, which is amazing and saves tons of time when you're editing your videos. So let's show you how you can do it. So when you're in Premiere Pro, let's say that you want to delete these parts. I'm gonna cut it somewhere over here. So let's say that you want to delete now the highlighted section of this video. So what you're going to do is just press shift and delete, and this automatically, as I said, will shift all of the other clips over to the first video, which makes it much easier to edit your videos. Moving next to my second keyboard shortcut is Add Edit. So what Add Edit does is cut the video instead using the razor tool. So for example, let's say that I want to move the cursor over here and I want to make a cut exactly at that point of this video. So instead using the razor tool, I'm gonna press Ctrl and K and bam, there we go, we've got a cut. And honestly, that saves a lot of time over the period of editing videos, and it does miracles. The last but not least shortcut I use is the duplicate clip. So let's say that you want to duplicate video or audio track on the timeline and you don't want to waste time. So what is the easiest way to do it? So I'm gonna tell you guys, I use it all the time. And since I found it, I can't stop using it. But anyway, so how to duplicate quickly in timeline. So you're gonna press Alt, and at the same time you grab this video and hold it and then take it either above. There we go, now we've duplicated. Or if you want to drag it at the end of the last video, what we're gonna do is just click on it, hold Alt, and then click with the left button of the mouse and place it over here. And like that, I have duplicated this video very quick without wasting any time. And the best thing about it is that, as I said, you can duplicate a video or audio track on the timeline. And that's the top 3 keyboard shortcuts that I'm using all the time with Premiere Pro, guys. And I advise you to use them because it's gonna save you tons of time and it's gonna speed up your work process while you're doing video editing with Premiere Pro. But if you want to see more of these, you can check the videos at the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.